In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix you can't change your safe search settings right now. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, seeing that message means your browser isn't actually in control. The restriction is being forced by a higher authority like your network, account type, or your device settings. So if I went over to settings right now, then I went to search settings, I see safe search is currently off for me, but it might not be able, you might not be able to toggle it off. So what you want to firstly do is a network bypass. If you're on a school, work, or public Wi-Fi, the network admin has likely locked safe search on the router level. So what you want to do is switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data and then turn Wi-Fi off because your phone will usually prioritize Wi-Fi. So switch to mobile data and then try and go on anything again and turn off safe search and go to any website you want. Now, Google automatically locks safe search for any account it believes belongs to someone under 18. So go ahead and make sure your Google account is at least above 18 years old, and then that should definitely help as well. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through, and you might find something you didn't know about yet.